In tutorial 39 function, here when we talk about parameters, according to rectangle area, we use length equal to 10 and 2. So if we call for function, it's going to give us 10 multiplied by 2, which is 20. Okay, or you can actually say 20, rectangle 20. We are referring to length is equal to 20 and default value 2. So that's why it will be 20 by 2. So we're going to have a 40. Okay. So let's look at the tutorial 40. This is actually same rectangle methods, sorry, function. So when you use it, rectangle, ideally, okay, we should say length is 10 and then width is 20. That's the default idea. Okay, in terms of default parameter. So 10 we are referring to length and 20 is referring to the width. Okay, so if you learn it, of course it's going to be 200. Then of course you can do length, okay, 10, okay, then width 20. Okay, that's the kind of common sense we use it. In Python, it is okay to swap. Okay, if we say width and then length is 10, okay, we still calculate it as width is 20 and the length is 10. That will give us still 200. Okay, we are not sending 20 to length and we are not sending 10 to width. Okay, in general, most of programming languages you should provide it according to order of the parameter. But in Python, if you want to, you can ignore that order. You can customize your own parameters. Width is 20 and the length is 10. Okay, the output is the same, but it's not the same as 20 and then 10. Okay, even the output will be same 200, but here we are saying length is 20, the width is 10. Okay, hopefully that will clarify the keyword arguments. It's quite different from other language in Python. Okay, thank you.